upbeat music plays with quick cuts of both steam mops in action. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we're diving into a battle of the steamers. On the left, we have the H2O MOP X5, the mop that promises to make your floors sparkle brighter than your future. And on the right, the TVD steam cleaner, which sounds like a fancy car but cleans like a champ. Let's get steamy. First up, let's talk about price. The H2O MOP X5 comes in at a neat $169, making it a budget-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, especially for those looking to save some cash. On the other hand, the TVD steam cleaner is priced at $179, suggesting it offers more value for the extra cost. However, some reviewers feel that the H2O MOP X5 is a worthwhile investment given its functionality. Overall, if you're trying to save some cash, the H2O MOP X5 is your budget buddy. Next, let's get into functionality. The H2O MOP X5 claims to be a 5-in-1 floor steam mop, which reviewers find effective for various cleaning tasks. It's versatile and a useful upgrade from traditional cleaning methods. Meanwhile, the TVD steam cleaner boasts high-pressure steam cleaning and comes with a whopping 28 accessories. Reviewers love the versatility and solid build quality, making it a reliable choice for tough jobs like wallpaper removal. It seems both products have their unique strengths. Now, let's talk tank capacity. The H2O MOP X5 has a smaller tank, which is great for quick cleanups, but some users feel it limits long cleaning sessions. In contrast, the TVD steam cleaner has a generous 52 ounces tank, providing up to 50 minutes of uninterrupted steam. Reviewers appreciate this capacity, especially for larger cleaning tasks, saying it's perfect for those who want to clean their entire house without constant refills. Usability is key. The H2O MOP X5 is praised for its ease of switching to handheld mode, making it user-friendly. However, some users have noted concerns about its construction quality. In comparison, the TVD steam cleaner features a steam engine lock for safety, which reviewers find reassuring, especially when cleaning around pets. Users appreciate the secure attachments and ease of use, making it a solid choice for families. When it comes to versatility, both products shine in different areas. The H2O MOP X5 can handle everything from floors to garments, making it a handy tool for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness in smaller spaces, especially for older individuals. Meanwhile, the TVD steam cleaner's ability to tackle wallpaper removal and heavy-duty cleaning tasks makes it a favorite among contractors. Users have reported great success with its multiple attachments, proving it's a versatile powerhouse. In summary, both the H2O MOP X5 and the TVD steam cleaner have their own strengths as highlighted by user reviews. The H2O MOP X5 is affordable and versatile, making it a great choice for quick cleanups and smaller spaces. On the other hand, the TVD steam cleaner is powerful with a wide range of accessories, making it ideal for tougher cleaning jobs. Both products have their fans, and it ultimately comes down to your specific cleaning needs. So who's the winner? If you're all about budget and simplicity, the H2O MOP X5 is your go-to. But if you want a cleaning powerhouse with more accessories than you know what to do with, the TVD steam cleaner might be calling your name. Remember, folks, whether you choose to go with the mop that cleans it all or the steamer that can do it all, the best purchase is the one that suits your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.